Alright students, today we're going to be studying section 5-6, compare unit rates, and we'll begin the notes by explaining what unit price means. Unit price is a unit rate that gives the price of one item Okay, so let's look at Better Buys examples. Example 1, which is the better buy? Let's start with 3 scoops of ice cream for $3.49. Nowadays that's actually a pretty good deal. Or 2 scoops of ice cream for $2.79. Okay, let's compare those two. We're going to start by understanding that when we make these unit rates as a ratio, the dollar sign or the cost goes on top. Okay, so that means like cost per, remember fraction bar means per, scoop. So that is equal in the first case to 349 over 3. And if we do 349 divide 3, we'll get a unit rate with 1 on the bottom. 349 divide 3 gives us $1.16 for 1 scoop. And that's the unit rate or unit price. Let's look at the next one. If we have $2.79 for 2 scoops, right? That is equal to, when we do 279 divide 2, and you can round to the nearest penny, of course, if needed on these, and that becomes $1.40 per 1 scoop. And then that is known as the unit rate or unit price. Okay? So we were to compare the rates. $1.16 per 1 scoop or $1.40 per 1 scoop. It's kind of backwards. You're not looking for the biggest number this time. You are looking for the smallest per scoop because that would be a better deal. So if we compare your rates, three scoops for $3.49. Let's look. Per scoop is $1.16. The 2 scoop version is $1.40 per scoop. So 3 scoops for $3.49 is the better buy. Because $1.16 per scoop is definitely less than $1.40 per scoop. Now let's look a double number line example. All right. And on this one, this is example 2. Okay? If you buy 2 pounds of ham for $16, what is the cost for 7 pounds of ham? Okay, so let's compare dollars to pounds. So we're making 2 number lines here. And the first number line we're going to label as dollars. Okay. So let's go over to here and we'll skip a couple lines here and put pounds. We'll start at 0. Let's go all the way through here. Okay. 0. Let's go by 8. Let's go by 16. And let's go, if we multiply by 7, let's go all the way. 8 times 7 is 56. Okay? Now, if we look at the next one, 0 pounds, and we go on up, we start at find unit rate first. Well, to find the unit rate, let's see here. We're looking at 1 pound would be $8 because if $16 buys you 2 pounds, 16 divided 2 is 8-to-1 ratio. Okay? And then let's go on here. 8 times 7 was 56. So 1 times 7 is 7 pounds. So now you can see 7 pounds of ham costs $56. Alright? So the cost of 7 pounds of ham is $56. I'll just write it right here. 7, I'm going to abbreviate pounds. Ham is $56. There you go.